Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up a professional Facebook business page. You can access all the relevant links from the description, whether you're starting a new venture or enhancing your online presence. Having a Facebook page is crucial for connecting with your audience. So, let's dive in. First, log into Facebook and look for the menu icon at the top right corner. Select Page from the menu options. Now it's time to create your business page. Enter the name of your business in the page name field. This should be the name that customers will recognize you by. Next, choose a relevant category for your business. This helps Facebook categorize your page properly. Optionally, you can add a brief bio about your business to give visitors a quick overview. Once you're done, hit Create Page and let's move on. Now it's time to make it easy for your customers to reach you. Provide your business's contact details like your phone number, email address, and physical location if you have one. If you're an online-only business, no worries, you can still add your website link. You can also customize your business hours here. Once you've got everything filled out, click Next to continue. Let's add some personality to your page. Upload your business's logo as the profile photo. For the cover photo, choose something visually appealing that represents your business. Adjust the position and settings to make sure everything looks just right. You can also add action button to your page. Just click on Add an Action button and choose a button that fits your business goals, like Start Order if you offer online ordering or Book Now if you provide services by appointment. Click Next to continue. Next, you'll see the option to connect WhatsApp to your page. While this feature can be handy for customer support, or if you're in a region where WhatsApp is widely used, I'll skip this step. However, if you find it beneficial for your business, feel free to set it up here. Moving on, you have the opportunity to build your audience by inviting friends to like your page. This step can help kickstart your page's engagement and visibility. Additionally, you'll notice options to enable email notifications for your page's activity. These notifications alert you when someone interacts with your page, such as liking a post or sending a message. While they can be helpful for staying updated on your page's engagement, some users prefer to keep them turned off to avoid email clutter. Since we're still setting up the page, I'll leave them disabled. You can always adjust these settings later based on your preferences and how actively you want to monitor your page's activity. Now, let's tailor the sections displayed on your page to suit your business needs. Click on the More button located below your cover photo. Here, you'll find various sections like About, Services, and Shop. Click on Manage section and you can choose to show or hide these sections based on what's relevant to your business. Once you've made your selections, remember to click Save to apply the updates to your page. Showcase your business with engaging photos. Click on the Add a Featured Photo button below your cover photo. Select the photos you want to feature, such as images of your products, services, or team members. You can upload multiple photos to create a slideshow. Choose a cover photo for the collection and add a title to give it context. Once done, click Save. Now your page will showcase engaging photos that represent your business effectively, helping to attract and engage your audience. Let's delve deeper into customizing your page. Navigate to the Edit button located just below your cover photo. Scroll down and find the Edit Your About Info button. Here, you can refine your business information, update the description, contact details, and other pertinent information as necessary. To integrate your social media presence, click on the Add Social Links button. Input the URLs of your social media profiles, such as Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn, into the respective fields. Ensure accuracy and completeness before clicking Save to finalize the additions. Click on the three dots on the right side of your page, then select View As from the drop-down menu. This will simulate the experience of a regular user visiting your page. You'll notice that all tabs, such as Videos, Live, and Following, are visible on the left side. Information like social links, offers, and signature drinks will be displayed prominently. Evaluating your page from an end user's perspective helps ensure it looks engaging and informative. You can post various things. Just click on one of these options like photos, then upload the image you want to share. You have various options to edit the image. When done, just click on the Post button and the image would be posted on your page. You can directly make a post on your page by clicking on the What's on Your Mind box. For visually engaging posts, you can use tools like Canva to design graphics. Open Canva and search for Facebook post, and then choose one from the already made templates and edit it to your needs. When done, click on Share, then on Download button and save the image. And now you can post your image on the business page. Your professional Facebook business page is now set up and ready to connect with customers. Remember to keep your page updated with fresh content and engage with your audience regularly. All the relevant links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.